In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subpage in Squarespace. We'll walk through it from the site dashboard, create the new page, nest it under a parent, tune a few key settings, and publish your changes. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard and head into the website area. From there, go to Pages. If a tour or tip pop-up appears, close it so you can see the full Pages panel. In the Pages view, look for the option to add content. Choose Add Blank, then select Page. This creates a clean starting point without any pre-filled sections. When Squarespace prompts you to choose or confirm the type, select New Page. If you're asked again, select New Page to confirm, and do it once more if another prompt appears. Give your page a clear name so you can easily recognize it later. This is what you'll nest as a subpage. Next, make sure you're looking at Main Navigation in the Pages panel. This is where your site's menu structure lives. Find the new page you just created and drag it beneath the parent page you want. As you drag, watch for a subtle indent guideline. Drop it when the new page is slightly indented under the parent. If it doesn't nest the first time, adjust your drag slightly up or down and drop again until you see that indent. The indentation indicates it's now a subpage and will typically appear in a drop-down under the parent in your site's navigation. With the subpage in place, open its settings to fine-tune a few items. Under Navigation, confirm the page title and adjust the URL slug if needed to keep it short and readable. Switch to the SEO tab and add a concise, descriptive page title and description. This helps search engines understand your content. If you're not ready for this page to be indexed yet, you can temporarily hide it in search settings. Move to Advanced for any custom code or header settings your site might require. When you finish in each tab, be sure to save so your changes stick. Now return to the main website view, go back to Home, and preview your site to confirm the subpage appears correctly beneath its parent in the menu. Finally, when you're satisfied, publish your site to push everything live. If you don't see the drop-down on the front end, clear your cache or refresh, and double